At the outset, I think I must thank the Russian House for giving us this support year on year. Every year they provide us this support to utilize their facilities for conducting this fair, so thank you very much. I also take this opportunity to thank all the delegates who have come all the way from Russia, have been traveling since 24th, only to inspire you all to get admission in the best universities in Russia. So thank you all very much for sparing your busy time with us and taking care of our students.
Namaste. Welcome to the 26th Russian Education Fair organized by Rus Education right in the hearts of Delhi. आज हम बहुत खुश हैं कि हमारे साथ हैं delegates from prestigious Russian government medical universities. चलिए मिलके बनाते हैं आपका ड्रीम मेडिकल करियर रियलिटी. ये फेयर हो सकता है गोल्डन अपॉर्चुनिटी उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए जो अपना मेडिकल करियर अब्रॉड स्पेशली रशिया में परस्यू करना चाहते हैं.
I request all the guests from Russian universities to please join us. I request Mr. Anand, the representative of Russian House, to please join us. Hundreds of students came to our fair and taken admission in the universities of their choice. The top medical universities of Russia for Indian students are present. Thank you so much. I now request representative of the Russian House, Mr. Anand, to please come and say a few words.
Good afternoon, namaskar to everyone. Good afternoon, dear participants of the Indo-Russian Summit, Educational Summit. We are pleased to welcome you to this significant event, which is becoming an important platform to strengthen educational and humanitarian cooperation between Russia and India. One of the key goals of the summit is to introduce Indian youth to a wide range of educational opportunities offered by Russian universities and research institutions. The summit opens new horizons for establishing sustainable and constructive dialogue between educational and research centers of two countries. This is an important step towards the implementation of joint technological, academic and applied initiatives of mutual interest. I wish all participants fruitful work, interesting meetings, new ideas and strong partnerships. Let today be the start of long-term and effective cooperation. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We cannot thank Russian House enough for their unwavering support for organizing such events and hosting delegates from various Russian universities. So thank you so much. I now invite the Vice Chancellor of Mari State University, Professor Irina Petrovna, to please say a few words.
Добрый день, уважаемые друзья.
Good day, dear students and guests.
Перед вами делегация лучших вузов Российской Федерации, и мы от лица делегации, я заявляю, что мы счастливы принять участие в этом мероприятии.
In front of you, we are representing the top Russian universities for Indian students, and I would say that we are very happy to be a participant of this event.
Но в последние годы появился новый импульс к новому сотрудничеству.
But in the last few years, there has been a new impulse in the new phase of our friendship.
И в прошлом году 34 индийца стали студентами российских вузов.
And last year, 34,000 Indian students became a part of Russian universities.
В каждом из вузов, которые представлены здесь, учатся индийские студенты, и это прекрасные студенты.
And in all the universities which are taking part in this exhibition, Indian students are studying there, and Indian students are one of the best students we have in our universities.
Welcome everyone. Today we have our Assistant Director Ms. Pramila Jajan for enlightening us about this event. So ma'am, how was the event till now?
So Vani event was very nice. It is 26th Russian Education Fair. So we have started this event on 24th of May, and tomorrow will be our last event in Jaipur and Chandigarh. Till now we have covered 7 cities, which we have started from Mumbai, Trivandrum, Calcutta, Patna, Indore, Ahmedabad, and today in Delhi. So as of now 1500 students have visited our REF, and in total, if I'll talk about the registration, 250 students have taken registration. Of course, delegates have played the major role because they know about the university, so of course students get more trust in delegates after meeting them, after knowing about the university personally. So it was a good event.
So what was the role delegates were playing in all these events, and how important was that?
Of course, delegates have played the major role because they know about the Russian university. They have informed about the culture, about medical universities to the student. They have told them about infrastructure, how they study pattern. I can say they have informed about the study pattern. So students have got more trust into delegates, and they have registered. So delegates have played the major role.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for enlightening us with all this information. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for being a part of 26th Russian Education Fair. ये फेयर हो सकता है आपके करियर के लिए एक टर्निंग पॉइंट। चलिए रूस एजुकेशन के साथ जुड़कर एक नया सफर शुरू करते हैं टुवर्ड्स योर सक्सेसफुल मेडिकल करियर। सी यू इन रशिया।